Apple. I ate an apple for breakfast. Book. She is reading a book. House. They live in a big house. Car. He drives a red car. Water. I need some water to drink. Food. The food is delicious. School. The school starts at 8 a.m. Friend. He is my best friend. Love. Love makes the world a better place. Work. She has a lot of work to do. Family. My family is very important to me. Happy. She is happy with her new job. Sad. He felt sad after the movie. Dog. The dog is playing in the yard. Cat. The cat sleeps all day. Morning. Good morning. How are you? Night. The stars are beautiful at night. Sun. The sun is shining brightly today. Moon. The moon looks so bright tonight. Rain. It's raining heavily outside. Snow. The snow covers the ground. Beach. We spent the day at the beach. City. The city is full of life. Country. Saudi Arabia is a beautiful country. River. The river flows through the valley. Mountain. They climbed a high mountain. Tree. There is a tree in my garden. Flower. The flower is blooming. Phone. I need to charge my phone. Computer. She works on her computer every day. Television. They are watching television. Music. I love listening to music. Movie. We watched an interesting movie. Game. The children are playing a game. Question. He asked a difficult question. Answer. I don't know the answer. Pen. She wrote with a blue pen. Paper. I need a piece of paper. Teacher. The teacher is explaining the lesson. Student. The student is studying for the exam. Chair. I'm sitting on a comfortable chair. Table. We have dinner on the table. Window. The window is open. Door. The door is closed. Room. The room is very clean. Bed. I sleep in my bed at night. Street. The street is busy today. Park. We went to the park to relax. Shop. She bought a dress from the shop. Money. I need money to buy groceries. Bank. I am going to the bank to withdraw money. Letter. I received a letter from my friend. Gift. I gave her a birthday gift. Holiday. We are planning a holiday trip. Vacation. They are going on vacation next month. Doctor. The doctor is very kind. Hospital. The hospital is very busy today. Medicine. She took the medicine for her cold. Health. Good health is important for a happy life. Exercise. He does exercise every morning. Walk. I like to go for a walk in the park. Run. She likes to run every day. Swim. I learned to swim last summer. Bicycle. He rides his bicycle to work. Train. The train arrives at 7:30 a.m. Airplane. The airplane is flying high in the sky. Boat. They are sailing in a boat. Bridge. The bridge connects the two cities. Road. The road is closed for repairs. Carrot. I eat a carrot every day. Banana. She loves eating bananas. Orange. I drink orange juice every morning. Lemon. He squeezed a lemon into his tea. Potato. I am cooking potatoes for dinner. Tomato. I like to eat tomatoes in salad. Onion. The soup has a lot of onions. Garlic. Garlic makes the food taste better. Pepper. I added pepper to the soup. Salt. Don't forget to add salt to the food. Sugar. I don't like sugar in my tea. Coffee. She drinks coffee every morning. Tea. I prefer tea over coffee. Milk. I drink milk before bed. Juice. He made fresh orange juice. Watermelon. Watermelon is refreshing in the summer. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit. Strawberry. I love eating fresh strawberries. Peach. She bought some peaches. Grapes. Grapes are my favorite fruit. Kiwi. I enjoy eating kiwi fruit. Apple juice. I prefer apple juice over orange juice. Ice cream. We had ice cream for dessert. Cake. She baked a chocolate cake. Cookie. I love homemade cookies. Pie. He ate a slice of apple pie. Sandwich. She made a ham sandwich for lunch. Pizza. We ordered a pizza for dinner. Hamburger. He loves eating hamburgers. Fries. She ordered fries with her burger. Salad. I had a salad for lunch.
رحلتنا مستمرة معكم. فضلا ادعمنا في لايك واشترك في القناة.